Hey, bitch, remember me as Keisha Fabo?
Yes, I remember you. What the fuck do you want? I don't want to talk to you right now. I told you to get up out my house. I don't want to see you.
Well, basically, I know that we had that argument yesterday, and I felt very bad, and I know that we had that altercation and differences of opinions and all, and so I figured that it would be very mature of me if I came in front of your face and apologized. So I had wrote this song just for you, and it go like this. Diltrice, you's a stupid fucking hoe. Diltrice, you need to take your ass home.
Oh
Diltrice, more like fucking Del Taco. El Pollo Loco, you's a fucking chicken head. Oh my god, I got you good, you stupid hoe.
Oh my god, I cannot believe that you just said it to me. Hold my earring, girl. Hold my earring. I'm gonna beat this bitch's ass with her own shoes because I know she bought them shits from Payless, that stupid bitch asshole.
Oh my god, Brequanda, you remember that stupid bitch named Diltrice from yesterday? Well, basically, I was walking my ass outside in the park and I had run up into that stupid bitch, so I talked to her that I was gonna wanna apologize, but instead, I called her ass a chicken head.
Oh, and I know that's for true because I had seen her yesterday in the back alley bobbing for apples, and let me tell you, it was not Halloween and that was not an apple. It was a man's penis.